Have you ever wondered what it takes to effectively manage a sales team? It's certainly no small feat. The challenge lies not just in hitting those sales targets, but also in the art of leadership, in keeping your team motivated and engaged. Consider the diversity of your team members. Each brings to the table unique strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these is pivotal to harnessing their full potential. It's like conducting an orchestra. Each instrument plays a different note, but together they create a harmonious symphony. Managing a sales team is similar. It's about synchronizing the individual efforts towards a common goal. And trust us, it's not just about numbers. It's about people, their aspirations, their drive, and their commitment. The challenge is real, but so are the rewards. It's a journey that demands patience, resilience, and a dash of creativity. Now let's delve into the process of managing a sales team in a way that ensures success. The first step in managing a sales team effectively is setting clear and achievable goals. Now, what makes a goal clear and achievable? Well, it's all about being smart. That's right, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. When we say specific, we mean the goal should be well-defined and not vague. Measurable goals provide a way to track progress, to know when the goal is reached. Achievable means the goal should be realistic, something that your team can attain. Relevant goals align with your company's mission and vision. And time-bound. That's putting a deadline to the goal, creating a sense of urgency and focus. Setting SMART goals provides direction. It tells your team where they need to go. It also provides motivation. It gives them something to strive for, a reason to push harder. With clear goals in place, you are one step closer to leading a successful sales team. Regular communication forms the backbone of effective sales team management. This isn't just about sending out daily emails or weekly updates, though those are important too. It's about creating a culture of open dialogue and mutual respect. Think about scheduling regular team meetings. This could be a weekly roundtable where everyone shares their progress, challenges, and insights. It's a chance to celebrate successes, address issues, and brainstorm solutions together. Alongside this, consider holding one-on-one sessions with each team member. This can offer a safe space for them to voice concerns or discuss personal goals. It's a golden opportunity to provide individual support and build trust. Remember, open and honest communication is key. It helps to nip problems in the bud, and it shows your team that their input is valued. It brings everyone together, working towards the same goals, with a shared understanding. Regular communication keeps everyone on the same page and fosters a healthy team environment. Providing adequate training and support is an integral part of managing a sales team. It serves as the foundation for equipping your team with the necessary skills and knowledge to stay ahead in the competitive sales environment. Ongoing training is essential to keep your team abreast of the latest sales strategies and techniques, ensuring that they are not left behind in the evolving world of sales. Moreover, training boosts confidence, enabling team members to approach their roles more effectively and handle client interactions with finesse. But training alone isn't enough. It's equally important to support your team members in their professional development. Providing mentorship, constructive feedback, and resources strengthens their skills, fosters a positive work culture, and encourages growth. Remember, a team that feels supported and well-trained is more likely to be motivated and productive, leading to improved sales performance. By providing training and support, you empower your team to reach their full potential. Recognizing and rewarding success is crucial in maintaining high levels of motivation and performance. It's the fuel that keeps the sales engine running. After all, who doesn't enjoy a pat on the back for a job well done? It's simple human nature to seek affirmation for our efforts. And in a sales environment, this need for recognition is often magnified. Acknowledging good work is more than just saying, "Good job." It's about appreciating the effort, the determination, and the resilience your team members put into their work. Whether it's a personal shout-out during a team meeting, a handwritten note of thanks, or a coveted Salesperson of the Month title, these gestures matter. Rewarding high achievers goes a step further. This could be in the form of bonuses, promotions, or even opportunities for professional development. These rewards demonstrate that you value their contributions and their growth within the team. Recognizing and rewarding success not only motivates your team, but also fosters a positive work culture. So, what are the key points to remember when managing a sales team? First off, setting clear goals is a cornerstone of effective sales team management. It's not just about telling your team what to do, but also defining a clear path to success. When goals are clear, measurable, and attainable, your team will know exactly what they need to do to succeed and how their efforts will contribute to the overall success of the business. Clarity breeds confidence, and confidence breeds success. Next, let's talk about the importance of regular communication. It's crucial to keep the lines of communication open with your team. This means regular check-ins, updates, and feedback sessions. Communication is the glue that holds a team together. It ensures everyone is on the same page, prevents misunderstandings, and fosters a culture of openness and transparency. Thirdly, providing training and support cannot be understated. As a manager, your role is not just to lead, but to serve. This means equipping your team with the tools, knowledge, and skills they need to excel. Regular training sessions, constructive feedback, and a supportive environment can go a long way in boosting your team's performance and morale. Finally, recognizing and rewarding success is a vital part of managing a sales team. Celebrating wins, big or small, shows your team that you notice and appreciate their hard work. Recognition not only boosts morale, but also encourages a culture of excellence and achievement. Rewarding success could be as simple as a word of appreciation or as grand as a bonus or a promotion. The key is to show your team that their efforts are valued and that their success is your success. In sum, effective sales team management involves setting clear goals, maintaining regular communication, providing ongoing training and support, and recognizing and rewarding success. Each step is crucial in its own right and contributes to the overall efficacy of your team. Remember, a well-managed sales team is the backbone of a successful business. It's a challenging role, but with these steps in mind, you're well on your way to becoming an effective sales team manager.